Hello, everyone. This is Connie Osorio, and today we will be discussing about the IMG's preferred membership benefits. Very excited po tayo ngayon na i-update kayong lahat kasi nga po meron tayong additional benefits right after our successful virtual convention just last Sunday. Okay, discuss na natin. Magkano ba ang membership benefit ni IMG? Answer, 5,500 pesos lang po kapag Philippine code kayo. And ano yung katumbas niya? 100,000 plus worth of benefits when you join IMG. Yes, you heard it right po. Ganyan kalaki ang value when you join IMG community. Discuss po natin yung membership revolution na ginawa ni IMG para lang meron kang SM Advantage card or SNR card na ang reason mo kung bakit ka nagpapa-member is you wanted to enjoy the perks and privileges of being a member of SNR or SM Advantage card. Ganon din po ang same principle dito sa IMG. So plus other benefits pa po. Ano po yung mga top members benefits? Unang-una, about financial education. Very design po talaga siya dito sa pandemic time. Kasi meron na tayong electronic books. Parang malaking-malaking financial education school ang IMG. Imagine 5,500 pesos. You got to have the e-books of the Secret to Saving and Building Your Future plus the workbook itself na magagamit mo for your workshops number 1 to 5. If you will look at every title, Increase Cash Flow, Debt Management for Workshop number 1, nandyan na po lahat ng kailangan yung financial education and strategies for you to be able to build a solid financial foundation. Okay? So, ayan po yan. And then next, still with financial education, we have benefit number 8, financial checkup. Just like on our previous videos, ano po yung ibig sabihin ng financial checkup? Simple lang po. If you wanted to check up physically your body, you go to a medical doctor. However, paano kapag yung bulsa naman natin yung may sakit or PK bank or our wallet? So we need a financial checkup, and that is free here in IMG. And then number 9, we have AFP or Associate Financial Planner Certification Program in partnership with the Registered Financial Planners of the Philippines. And of course, exclusive members price yan. Just like me and other coaches in IMG, we enjoy the 1,500 certification fee if you wanted to push with your financial literacy profession here in IMG. So another set of benefits are the free gifts. Kapag po bago lang kayo sa IMG, when meron kayong free 100,000 free personal accident insurance. Yan po yung, dyan pa lang very winner na po yung 5,500 nyo. So imagine a 100,000 worth of personal accident insurance. And then on top of the 5,500, if you wanted this Fidelity Life 50,000 life insurance coverage, you just need to add 500 pesos doon sa 5,500. By the way, ang atin pong membership ay merong renewable accreditation na 5,500 every year. So if you wanted to enjoy continuously all of these benefits that we will be discussing today, kailangan nyo lang magdagdag or magbayad every year ng 1,500 pesos. And then another free gift, of course, is the IMG Vision Care. Anong ibig sabihin yan? 2 frames po every year. Free po yan sa lahat ng members plus the computerized eye exam. And then we also have the free and limited consultation for members and discounted medical services for members to all Kaiser Medical Centers. Pati po ang ating immediate family members are also discounted in the medical services. Now, number 16 po is one of the beauty of being an IMG member is that automatic meron ka ng 1,000 startup sa mutual fund investment mo with Soldivo funds under Rampver Financials, of course. So as a new IMG member, yes, meron na po kayong simula na 1,000. Ang dami na po niya mabibiling shares kasi during this pandemic, sobrang sale ang market. And when it comes to mutual fund, madami po tayong online free webinars. If you wanted to know more about mutual funds, just send us a comment or send us a message if you are interested to join us, and at the same time, if you wanted to know more about IMG and mutual funds. Okay? So, ayan po. We also have access. Access po, ibig sabihin walang middleman. Ganun po yung sobrang na-revolutionize ni IMG ang membership na ito. Kasi wala nang middleman. We bypass the middleman. Wala na tayong agent. That's why nagugulat lahat kung bakit sobrang mura ng mga financial products natin. Just like number 17, which is our Kaiser Long-Term Care, although may short-term at senior care siya. Yung long-term care, kung titingnan nyo po yung ibang mga videos natin dito sa Connie Osorio channel, long-term care, in a nutshell po, long-term care is our 4-in-1 product. That's long-term healthcare, that's until retirement, cover tayo ng healthcare natin. 20 years coverage of life insurance, and then we also have emergency fund and investment. Yes, pag hindi nyo po nagagamit itong napakagandang Kaiser investment nyo, nagiging investment or savings plan siya. If you want to know more about that, you can also send us a comment here. And lagyan ko na lang po ng link dito sa ating channel or dito sa mismong video na to, how to avail the Kaiser investment. Okay, number 18, most 18, that is also one of the financial products of IMG, and that is our 2-in-1. All right, so that is our term insurance. Mura lang po pag term insurance. And then there's also PDF or Premium Deposit Fund, our investment component in most 18. Murang-mura lang po yan. For as low as, if you're 30 years old, that's for as low as 5,710. All right, yearly. Okay, you can talk about that to us, with us, okay? Message nyo lang po or comment lang po dito sa video na to. Number 19 is, if you wanted the free investment seminars, lahat po yan free dito sa IMG, if you're an IMG member, and lahat ng itatop up nyo, or lahat ng additional investment na ipapasok nyo sa mutual fund is zero entry fee. That means walang kaltas. And then number 20, ready na rin si IMG sa direct online trading platform powered by MyTrade. We also have number 21, Palawan Express Pera Padala Partnership. Ibig sabihin yan, we have a special rate exclusive to all IMG members. Dito po ginagamit or dinadala ng mga taga-IMG yung kanilang payment. Di ba po, ang dami-dami mga Palawan Express Pera Padala all around the Philippines. So, mas maganda, mas accessible. So, may special rate tayo dyan to pay our membership, our Kaiser premiums, and other investments. And then discounts. Yan, nakakaloka ang mga discounts. We have save money on our non-life insurance with these big companies like Malayan, sorry, Mafre and MAA, Standard Insurance. We also have Pioneer and UCPB Gen. Para saan po yan? Para sa mga casualty insurance natin like car insurance, travel insurance, fire insurance, personal accident, bond, and marine cargo. If you want to purchase real estate with our partners with SMDC, Ayala Land, and DMCI, meron din po tayo dyang discounts or savings. We also have the Haven of Infinity Memorial Garden discount sa lahat ng mga memorial lots and internment packages. Dito po yan, exclusive sa Batangas. Although this is a good investment to everybody, you can always invest in memorial lots. Okay? We also have 25 to 28 discounts on special courses. So, pwede kayong mag-enroll sa ating mga special courses with our experts in real estate, book writing, and digital marketing. Right? We also have services like our Everest Memorial Services 24/7 po siya. The very first 24/7 memorial concierge service in the Philippines. And number 30, IMAX, ibig sabihin po niyan, yan ang ating kapartner for you to be able to put up your own corporation in a very discounted price. We also have auto program in IMG wherein kung gusto nyo ma-discount sa mga car purchases nyo, we have that kind of program here. Ang pinaka-love ko po are rewards. Ayan, number 32, you can own a business. Matik po yan. If you're an IMG member with just 5,500 pesos, meron na po kayong business. Ano po, full-time, part-time, it doesn't matter. You become a financial educator. You own your time. We have an online system. Okay? So kahit sa cellphone nyo, you can always look at your portal. You can help other families and achieve the income that you want here in IMG. And then you can travel the world. We're very excited to go to London next year. That's the free trip of IMG and the rest of the conventions that we have here in our IMG community. Number 34, world-class recognition. As a senior marketing director last 2017, I was able to get my own Rolex watch and the pins. And of course, kapag millions na po yung earnings nyo dito sa IMG, you get to have your own millionaire's ring. We are also looking forward to have our free car. Lahat ng mga coaches dito, magagaling na coaches dito sa IMG. We are very blessed to have this free HMO coverage for our leaders. Kami po ng asawa ko, we are on our 3rd year of our free HMO coverage with 100,000 worth of coverage for that year. And then we also have this additional benefits. Dati po kasi 35 lang. So ito po yung good news talaga. Number 36, we have a very powerful members portal now that is available anytime, anywhere. Yes, nasa cellphone nyo lang yan or your gadget. So you can do or monitor your funds and everything here in IMG. We also have incorporated the Dominate tool. This is our digital marketing platform. So very suitable po for this pandemic. Anywhere in the world, you can always reach for people and help them and do the IMG business. And then 38, we have newsletters and emails, of course. 39 is the Nura Cash. Okay? So, ayan po, kung merong AI na hinahanap tayo dito, that is the Nura Cash. If you have the commissions in IMG, you receive it through Nura Cash. Transfer that to your funds and then pay your bills, pay directly your investments here in IMG. You can do that here in our Nura Cash number 39 benefit. Now, this is another set of benefits exclusive for the international members all around the globe. So if you're an internationally coded member, you have this number 40 exclusive money platform. You have the Visa card and then the exclusive events, exclusive for this international members. We have also 42 exclusive runs and contests. Ang pinaka-love po ng lahat is the worldwide protection from 43 to 48. Makikita nyo yung coverage for accidental death, burial, lahat na po ng possible insurance and protection na nakita ni IMG, because IMG community and the leaders of this wonderful company have a big heart to everyone, every Filipinos around the world. Ayan na po, na isa katuparan na yung ating worldwide protection. And we also have this kind of projection for your possible income. Yes, you own a business here in IMG. If you will be pushing with the mission to help other people, this is the potential income that you might earn in IMG. That's our business ownership program. So that's it. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope na excite namin kayo sa napakagandang package ng ating membership in IMG. Again, that's 5,500. I-renew na lang every year, 1,500 pesos. If you still have questions, you can always comment us, and there are links for you to be able to learn more about IMG. So we bless you to be prosperous in the middle of this pandemic. Let us also be prosperous so that we can always prosper others. That is, be a blessing to other people as God blesses us. Thank you so much and God bless. Bye-bye.